madalas na...
I think Ken hindi pa. Kasi si Ken, di ba, yung parang hindi pa. Hindi sure. Hindi ako sure. Pero again, I'm dating other people. So, hindi ako in a relationship. So, yun.
Oh, yun. But, hindi natanong na ka namin iba na last week na event ni Drake eh, na parang that kind of characteristics you're looking for a guy. Same pa rin ba ngayon?
Oo naman, same pa rin. And of course, meron naman ako nakikilala ng mga okay. And hindi naman nagtataas yung standards ko or whatever. Basta ako, kung kanino titipok yung puso ko, yun na lang.
Ngayon, yun pa yung... Kasi, I think, pag sinabi kasi endorse ka naman muna, tsaka, you possess naman ko. Parang, luxury jewelry, medyo baka may intimidate yung mga lalaki din sila. Ano ba siya? Like, is it, yeah. Do you think that it's a hindrance? Parang, you can buy yourself.
Ako kasi, I believe sa mga relasyon, hindi ka papasok para bilhan mo ako ng ganito or ganyan. I can buy myself the diamonds that I want. I can buy myself whatever I want. And that's why I work hard. And that's why I'm inspired to keep working. Hindi naman ako papasok sa isang relasyon na doon ako aasa. Hindi dapat ganun.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How does it feel to be compared to Barbie? To be likened to a Barbie doll?
Of course, it's an honor. And I love Barbies. Ever since I was a kid, lagi ako naglalaro ng Barbie. And of course, kahit yung movie, pinanood ko yan, and I really look up to yung Barbie. Ang ganda kasi, di ba? Ang ganda tignan. And of course, it's always an honor. And thank you so much to Drake.
They're saying somewhere down the line, I think it's quite a big collaboration between Luna and Barbie International. They're talking about probably having a Luna doll at some point. Would you be willing? I'm sure you would. But how would you feel pag sinabi nila that even the face of the doll might be coupled after you? May possibility ba ganun, Drake? Kasi siya yung Luna Barbie. Pwede kaya? Masuggest that the face of a Luna Barbie, because siya yun, may possibility rin kaya na magka-Barbie tayo na ang face niya, ang face niya ni Ivana. Because of this collaboration. The doll.
Actually, hindi siya, sila sa kanila yung doll na.
Ang face.
Yeah.
Okay. Kaya po sa movie, di ba, parang si Margot Robbie, ginawa nila ng sarili.
Doll.
Oo. Well, it would be a great thing for us kasi Pilipina siya, di ba?
With that part of
it's there. It's there.
Yeah.